Morning everybody. A miserable day here in Kessingland at CycleRecycle. It is a blustery and windy day. I'll open the door and you can have a look at just how horrible it is. Well, if you can pick this up, it's absolutely throwing it down. I'm going to check in a little while, see what the forecast is like, and it's also quite chilly as well. So I don't think I'm going to be busy today, which is, or should I say, I don't think I'm going to be busy today with customers, but I'm hoping I can get plenty done. So I've got some bikes to put on the website, 4 actually that need photographing, so I'll probably do that first, and then on with the rest of the day. So this morning has been a bit intense. Let me tell you what's happened. So I went outside, photographed a couple of bikes, ready to put them online, and when I came back, my monitor for my computer was doing this. Not very happy at all. And I thought, that's odd. And then I noticed just down here there was a drip coming. So I pulled it all out, and there is, I don't know if you can see, there's a nasty sort of ton of water that's come in. And obviously where my monitor sits has been dripping on there, so I've had to get everything out. The builder's been called. Hopefully he'll be here ASAP, because this is obviously a joke. As you can see, it's been dripping through here as well, the rain. Let me show you. It's been dripping through here as well. I've spoken to my landlord. Like I say, he's contacted the builder. The problem is this part of the building is a flat roof, and this part is got a gable end, and where they're joined, that needs reflashing and sorting out. So the builder has been spoken to. He's going to come early next week. I now need to spend the rest of the day moving stuff out of here that I value, because obviously the monitor is beyond, I mean, it's trying to be a monitor. It might dry out, so I'll take that home, sit it in front of a radiator for a bit, see if I can get that fixed. I need to take my stuff, because until the roof is done, I'm not particularly comfortable about leaving my stuff in here, if I'm honest. And we've got sort of a till cash register, so it's not good, but these things are sent to try us. So I'm going to load my car up with valuable stuff, and then I'm going to and try and get on with some work. I've got a customer coming in a little while, I think, to have a look at something. But yeah, it does rain hard. It has rained hard, but you can see in there how wet that's got, and that's probably from a night's worth of rain. Oh well, these things are sent to try us, I guess. Let's go and have a look and see what the weather's doing, see if it's calming down or whether it's getting worse or whatever. So there might be a delay in the videos. That's going to be the big problem. Might be a delay in the videos. So stop raining. Well, I say stop raining. It's still spitting a little bit. But this is the drama we have. The building is 100 and something years old. So there was always going to be problems. Okay, I'm going to sort through some tyres now, because they do need sorting out. So I'm going to start working through those while things are a bit chaotic in the shop. back from my lunch and I'm going to crack on, just get this shop tidy. I've sorted the tyres out. Quite a quiet day today, the weather's awful, no one's coming out today, so I'm going to crack on doing that, getting the shop tidy, moving some of the electrics out of the way of possible drips. You don't need to see any of that, it'll bore you senseless. So thanks ever so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye. So it's the 21st of November today, and we've got this bike coming on Saturday. It just needs some TLC, that's what he wants to get us so that it's rideable. So we'll put some tyres on that hopefully today if we get a chance. He said there's no rush. It's about 10 degrees today and Britain is grey. Sail bikes are out. I bought a new monitor yesterday for the computer, so hopefully that will solve the problem. I'm going to also as well move the computer from in here. This is purely going to be stock room now. Let me just angle up. I'm going to move the computer from in here, and from now on this can be the office, debating whether to take the door off or not. And then all that stuff can go in there. So obviously that's my priority for today. But there's still loads to do. But at least it's not cold. So I'm going to focus on getting the computer set up so that I can get on top of all the tasks that I've missed over the last 3 days. So that's what I'm now going to do. So I've got my temporary office set up for the computer, so I'll just quickly show you that. I know it's going to be really dry in here, so we've got it set up so I can get on with some work. Don't forget, you can watch all our videos on our website. You've just got to go to the little vlog page, just click on vlog, and all of our videos are on there. You can see there's a lot of them, so you can do that. So I'm now going to we've had 2 donations this morning. Neither of them are in amazing condition, but there's definitely some bits we can get off some of them, so wheels and various other things, so I'll show you them now. So we've got this Raleigh Pioneer that has definitely seen better days. So it's got a Marathon Plus tyre on the back, so we'll have that. And then behind that is the vintage one. So I'm going to dismantle those 2, and then this afternoon I'm going to work on the Raleigh Record. That's my plan. So I'm going to quickly tidy the workshop up, and then I'm going to crack on. I've spoken to the builder, or tried to speak to the builder this morning, but he isn't replying, so hopefully we'll get the roof situation sorted and we can get back to normal in here. So anyway, I'm going to crack on, get the shop, get it ready so that I can process some bikes this morning. So here we go, it's the Raleigh Pioneer 10. Is it 10 or 160? I've got my glasses on, 160. So we're going to dismantle this one because it's too far gone, but there's a few bits and pieces we can get off. Some shifters, there's a nice Marathon 12 tyre, but not an awful lot more, to be fair. It's in quite a tired state. So let's get into it. one off this one. I've got the brake pads, I've got the pedals, I got the wheels, I got the grips, I got the shifters, I got the brake levers, so I'm very happy that this one can go and been processed. So on to the next one. Okay, let's have a close look at this one, see if we can identify what it is. It's really difficult to see it actually. Elswick. So this is an Elswick. It's definitely seen better days. I think this is worth more as a project bike on our website, so someone else can have a go, because it is complete. Just check that's not. Yeah, I think I'm going to put this one on the website. I think that's planning the project bike section. Someone might be able to get a use for it. Right then, I'll do that now. So that's me done this lunchtime. I'm now going for my lunch. I've took the bike to bits, and there's two that have gone on, well, one that's been listed onto our project bikes, and another that is going to go on tomorrow, which is a little road bike. This afternoon I'm going to concentrate on getting that the little shopper bike done. Shouldn't take too long. And also at lunchtime I'm going to go get some speakers for my computer, because my last monitor that got damaged in the leak had speakers attached, so I can't hear anything. It's driving me mad, and the videos aren't going to be very good if I can't hear how loud the volume on this is. So I'm now going for lunch, and I will we'll see you after lunch. So I'm back from lunch, and I've just had 3 bikes donated this morning. So we've got this aluminium Team Saracen. Behind it is a Raleigh Stonefly, and they are lovely bikes they are. And I've got about a Legend that's needs a bit of TLC. So what I think I'm going to do is I think I'm going to probably work on one of these, get one of these built this afternoon, rather than the vintage record that needs new tyres and a quick service, because that one there's no rush for that, whereas I think I've got a customer for one of these. So I'm probably going to do the Stonefly and get that built. So that's what I'm going to do now, get that one built, and then we're good to go. So this is a Raleigh Stonefly that's just come in. I'm going to build up. Nice bikes these are. I think it's got a 19-inch frame, maybe an 18-inch frame. It just needs tidying up. So that's what I'm going to do. That's my target. Get this one built. 21 gears, feed brakes, front suspension forks. Yeah, that's a nice thing. So let's get into it. So for some reason the time lapse of me doing this one hasn't happened. It didn't take long. Put some air in the tyres, set up the brakes, set up the gears. It just needs to go outside for a quick pressure wash, and then this one is going to go on sale. It will sell so quickly. Raleigh Stonefly, got an alley frame, it's got 21 gears, front suspension forks, perfect for Christmas. And it will look lovely when I've got it done. I don't know why it hasn't recorded the time lapse though. That's a bit of a pain. So for the rest of the day, I am going to be getting this shop back to where it was before we had the leak in the roof. I've got some social media I need to sort out. If you're one of our recently new subscribers, I want to say welcome. Thanks for subscribing. We hope you're enjoying the content and what we do here. If you are watching for the first time and you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell. That way you can see what we do every single day. Every day is different. We get different bikes incoming all the while. So don't forget to like and subscribe. You can see everything we do at www.cyclerecycleuk.com. I'm going to crack on. We'll see you tomorrow.